Right. Komal,
Sir.
once again, let us start.
Okay, sir.
Topic 1, numbers and number system based on MMP book page 4 and 5, MMPT 3. A group of digits denoting a number is called dash.
Numeral.
Right. Writing numbers in words is called dash.
Numeration.
Right. Writing numbers in figures or symbols is called dash.
Notation.
Right. The number which comes immediately after the given number is called
Successor.
right. A number one more than a given number is called its dash.
Successor.
Right. Successor of 9 is dash.
10.
Every number is dash, then its successor.
Less.
Right. The number which comes immediately before the given number is called dash.
Predecessor.
Right. A number one less than a given number is called its dash.
Predecessor.
Right. Predecessor of 100 is dash.
99.
Right. Every number is dash, then its predecessor.
Greater.
Right. The system of writing numbers using the 10 digits is called a dash system.
Decimal system.
Right. Other names for decimal system are dash.
Metric system, base 10 system.
Right. A number having more digits is dash than another having fewer digits.
Greater.
Right. 12,345 dash then 9,876.
12,345.
Which symbol comes here? This first
Greater.
symbol is greater than symbol.
Second symbol.
Right. Greater than symbol. Right. If two numbers contain the same number of digits, we compare the dash digits.
Leftmost digits.
Right. If they are also the same, we compare the dash digits.
Next digit.
Right. And so on. 18th one, 8,321. Dash then 7,986.
Greater than symbol.
Right. The series containing 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, and 5 digit. Smallest numbers are.
Sir.
The series containing 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, and 5 digit. Smallest numbers are.
Smallest numbers. 9.
Smallest.
Smallest. 1. 10. 1 at 1.
Numbers 1 to 10 to 100.
110, 100, 1,000, 10,000.
Right. The series containing 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, and 5 digit. Largest numbers are
9, 99, 999, 9,999, 99,999.
right. Arranging numbers from the greatest number to the smallest number is called dash order.
Descending order.
Right. Arrange the numbers 259, 654, 794, 385 in ascending order.
259, 385, 654, 794.
Right. Arranging numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number is called dash order.
Ascending order.
Right. Arrange the numbers 106, 110, 155, 143 in descending order.
155, 143, 110, 106.
Right. How many one digit numbers from where to where?
One digit numbers 9 from 1 to 9.
Very good, Komal. You keep it up.
Okay.
So, children, raise your hands. Revant. Put on the video. Revant, are you ready? Mobile ila pettandi takkana meeru atu idu aithe malli time ayipotundi.
Okay,
Right,
sir.
okay. Topic 1, numbers and number system based on MMP book page 6, MMPT 4. Numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are called dash numbers.
Prime numbers.
No, even numbers.
Even numbers.
What numbers? Even
numbers.
All right. Even numbers end in dash.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
First 5 even numbers are dash.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Right. Multiples of 2 are dash numbers.
Even numbers.
Right. Numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2 are called dash numbers.
Odd numbers.
Odd numbers end in dash.
0, 1, 3, 6.
No. Odd numbers.
0, 1, 3, 7, 9.
రేవంత్ నీవు ఆల్రెడీ డిలీట్ చేసుకొని ఉండాలి. అందరు వింటారు. నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా రాంగ్ చెప్తే రాంగ్ మెసేజ్ పోతుంది కాబట్టి నేను అందు గురించే ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తలేను. మీరు ముందుగానే డ్రిల్ చేసుకొని ఉండాలి. అవసరమైతే రికార్డ్ చేసుకొని ఉండాలి. రాంగ్ మెసేజ్ కానియద్దు. ఓకే, యు మ్యూట్. నెక్స్ట్ raise your hand, children who are perfect. Perfect ఉన్న వాళ్ళు రేజ్ చేయండి వెంటనే. నేను ఆల్రెడీ మెసేజ్ పెట్టాను కదా మీకు. జశ్వంత్, Jashwant. Jashwant. రెడీ ఉంటేనే రైట్ చేయండి. హ్యాండ్స్ రైట్ చేయండి. రెడీ లేకపోతే హ్యాండ్స్ రైట్ చేయొద్దు. రెడీ ఉన్న వాళ్ళే రైట్ చేయండి. లక్ష్మి సాన్వి.
Good morning, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మా.
Sir, questions also, sir.
I have written
Sir, yes,
perfectly.
sir. Sir, yes, sir.
Exam బాగా రాశావా?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
Sir,
Revant,
questions also, sir.
just wait, just. ఈ పిన్ ఒకసారి తెచ్చి. ఆయన ఇంతకుముందు ఆయన ఉన్నది. ఆయనది వస్తలేదు మరి ఇక్కడ. ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటా. రైట్ మా. Topic 1, numbers and number system based on MMP book, page 6, MMPT 4. Numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are called dash numbers.
Even numbers.
Right. Even numbers end in dash.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
First 5 even numbers are dash.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Right. Multiples of 2 are dash numbers.
Even numbers.
Right. Numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2 are called dash numbers.
Odd numbers.
Right. Odd numbers end in dash.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
First 5 odd numbers are dash.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Right. The series containing 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit smallest even numbers are.
2, 10, 100.
Right. The series containing 1 digit, 2 digit, and 3 digit largest numbers are.
8, 98, 998.
Right. The series containing 1 digit, 2 digit, and 3 digit smallest odd numbers are.
1, 11, 101.
Right. Once again, this question number 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. Right. Okay. Completed. 11th one. The series containing 1 digit. 11th one. The series containing 1 digit, 2 digit, and 3 digits largest odd numbers are.
9, 99, 999.
Right. How many even numbers from 1 to 100?
50.
How many odd numbers from 1 to 1000?
500.
The sum of 2 even numbers is a dash number.
Even numbers.
The difference of two even numbers is on dash number.
Even numbers.
The product of two numbers is on dash number.
Even numbers.
Right. The sum of two odd numbers is on dash number.
Even number.
Right. The difference of two odd numbers is on dash number.
Even number.
Right. The product of two odd numbers is on dash number.
Odd number.
Right. The sum of an even and odd number is on.
Odd number.
Right. The difference of an even number and odd number is on dash number.
Odd number.
Right. The product of an even number and odd number is on dash number.
Even number.
Right. If a number has only any one of the digits 0 to 468 in one's place, then the number is and dash number.
Even number.
Right. If a number has any one of the digits 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in one's place, then the number is and dash number.
Odd number.
Right. Which are exactly divisible by which are even numbers.
67,896, 32 lakh 1,400, 32 lakh 14,560.
Okay, very good. All right, very good, ma. Keep it up. MMPT up to 4 completed. Next, okay, ma. You mute. Next, who are ready to tell PPT 5, MMPT 5? Raise your hands, children. Five చెప్పడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు. MMPT 5. All right, okay. First, Sini. Bhuvanasri. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
All right. Pin పోతుంది. మళ్ళీ అట్లనే వచ్చింది. పోయి మళ్ళీ వ్యూ వస్తుందా మీద ఫస్ట్ మీదికి మీదికి లక్ష్మీ స్వామి క్లిక్ చేసి ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేసి రిమూవ్ పిన్ ఇక్కడ లక్ష్మీ ప్రసన్న what happened? Okay, I will give chance next. Ready? మొబైల్ ఇలా హారిజాంటల్ లో పెట్టమ్మా. బోనస్లీ రైట్, ఓకే. నీవు కూర్చున్నప్పుడు ఒకసారి మొబైల్ సెట్ చేసుకోండి. రైట్ మా. Topic 1, numbers and number system based on MMP book page 7, 8, MMPT 5. The numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, are called dash numbers.
Prime numbers.
Right. First 5 prime numbers are dash.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11.
Right. Another name for prime numbers is?
Indivisible numbers.
Right. Dash is the only even prime number.
2,
Right. Dash is neither a prime nor a composite number.
1,
Right. The number whose factors are other than 1 and itself are called dash number.
composite numbers.
Right. First 5 composite numbers are dash.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12,
Mr. 9. Once again. 4.
4, 6, 8, 9, 10.
Right. Another name for composite numbers is dash.
Divisible numbers.
Right. Pairs of 2 primes whose difference is 2 are called dash primes.
So,
Pairs of 2 primes whose difference is 2 are called dash primes.
twin primes.
Right. First 5 pairs of twin prime numbers are dash.
3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31.
Right. Good. If 2 numbers have no common factors except 1, such numbers are called dash.
So, if 2 numbers are co-primes.
Right. Co-primes. If 2 numbers have one only common factors, then those numbers are called dash.
Co-primes.
Co-primes. Common factors of 8 and 9 is
1.
right. Another name for co-prime numbers is
Relative primes.
right. The prime numbers from 1 to 10 are
2, 3, 5, 7.
right. The prime numbers from 10 to 20 are
11, 13, 17, 19.
the prime numbers from 20 to 30 are
23, 29.
right. The prime numbers from 30 to 40 are
31, 37.
40 to 50,
40 to 50. 41, 41, 43, 47.
50 to 60,
53, 50, right.
right. 60 to 100,
61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97.
very good. 100 to 110,
Prime numbers from 100 to 110. 101, 103, 107, 109.
very good. Now the composite numbers from 1 to 10 are
4, 6, 8, 9, 10.
right. The composite numbers from 10 to 20 are
12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20.
very good. The twin prime numbers from 1 to 50 are
3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43.
very good, ma. Well done. Well said. You mute. Next, Lakshmi Prasanna.
Okay, sir. Sir, MMPD 6.
Yes. Delay వస్తుంది. All right, ma. Lakshmi Prasanna.
Sir,
Topic 1, numbers and number system based on MMP book page 8, MMPT 6.
okay, sir.
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి నువ్వు
Okay, sir.
రైట్ ఓకే అట్లా రెడీగా ఉండాలి మీరు ఏం చేంజ్ అయినా కూడా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఇలా చేయడం జరుగుతుంది ఓకే ద ట్విన్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 50 to 100 are
59, 61, 71, 73.
right the twin prime numbers from 100 to 110 are
101, 103, 101, 103, 107, 109.
right okay how many single digit prime numbers
4,
right how many two digit prime numbers
21,
right how many prime numbers from 1 to 50
15,
right how many prime numbers from 1 to 100
25,
right how many composite numbers from 1 to 50
34,
right how many composite numbers from 1 to 100
74,
right how many twin prime numbers from 1 to 50
6,
yes right how many twin prime numbers from 1 to 100
8,
right how many twin prime numbers from 1 to 110
10,
which number is a factor of every number
1,
ఓకే నీవు కెమెరా వైపు చూసి చెప్పాలమ్మా లక్ష్మీ ప్రసన్న కెమెరా వైపు చూసి చెప్పాలి
Okay.
ఓకే రైట్
okay,
13th which number have only one factor other than 1
sir, what, sir?
which numbers have only one factor other than 1 13th
Prime number,
right which numbers have more than two factors
composite numbers,
right which numbers have only two factors
prime numbers,
are all even numbers composite numbers
no,
right are all odd numbers composite numbers
no,
right okay
no,
are all odd numbers prime numbers
no,
all right the prime numbers between 11 and 19 are
13 and 17,
right the prime numbers from 2 and below 11 are
2, 11,
2 and below 11 2 and below 11
101. Sir,
2 and below 11
2 and below 11, sir.
Hmm.
2, 3, 5, 7.
Right okay the prime numbers from 2 and below okay completed the series containing 11th the series containing 1 digit 2 digit and 3 digit smallest prime numbers are
2, 11, 101.
right the series containing 1 digit 2 digit and 3 digit largest prime numbers are
797, 997.
right the series containing 1 digit 2 digit and 3 digit smallest composite numbers are
400,000.
right the series containing 1 digit 2 digit and 3 digit largest composite numbers are
999.
right the numbers which have 3 or more than 3 factors are called as
Composite numbers.
right okay completed 6 okay ma very good you keep it up
Okay, sir.
children
7.
All right, okay.
Sir, MMP 8 didn't complete enough, sir.
All right, next. ఇంకొకటి ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తాం. ఓకే అమ్మా, లక్ష్మీప్రసాద్ అన్న
Sir,
నువ్వు రెడీగా ఉండి మరి కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పాలి, కెమెరా వైపు చూడాలి.
okay.
If a number is
Okay,
multiplied by itself, then the product is said to be dash of that number.
Square and square root.
This is square root. Square of 15.
225.
Square of 25.
625.
Square of 17.
389.
16 square is equal to
256.
14 square is equal to
196.
18 square is equal to
Sir, 18 square. 384.
square root of 361.
19.
Square root of 441.
21.
Square root of 576.
24.
Square root of 529.
23.
Cube of 5.
125.
Cube of 6.
Sir,
Cube of 6.
216.
Cube of 7.
Cube of 7 is 2. Sir, cube of 7 343.
Square of 11.
181.
Square of 12.
144.
8 cube.
512.
9 cube.
729.
10 cube.
1000.
Square of 22.
Sir, square of 22. 484.
Square of 13.
169.
Cube root of 64.
4.
Cube root of 27.
3.
Square root of 400.
Square root of 400 is 20.
Square root of 81.
9.
Okay. Right. Okay, I have perfect this unit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no. Children, raise your hands. Bhuvanaశ్రీ. Okay, ma, very good. You keep it up. Mute. Yes, yes, yes. ఆగు ఇక్కడ. Bhuvanaశ్రీ, right? Unit digit of 0 to the power of n.
0.
0. Unit digit of dash 1 whole to the power of n.
1.
1. Okay. Unit digit of okay, ma. Unit digit of dash 2 to the power of 4n.
6.
Right. Unit digit of dash 3 whole to the power of 4n.
1.
3 is 4 and 4. Okay, right. Unit digit of dash 4 whole to the power of n is equal to dash if n is odd.
4.
Unit digit of dash 4 whole to the power of n is equal to dash if n is even.
6.
Right. Unit digit of dash 5 whole to the power of n is equal to.
5.
Right. Unit digit of dash 6 whole to the power of n is equal to.
6.
6. Unit digit of dash 7 whole to the power of 4n is equal to.
1.
Right. Unit digit of dash 8 whole to the power of 4n is equal to.
6.
6. Right. Unit digit of dash 9 whole to the power of n is equal to. If dash if n is odd.
9.
9, right. Unit digit of dash 9 whole to the power of n is equal to if n is even.
1.
Very good. Plus into plus is equal to dash.
Plus.
Plus into minus is equal to dash.
Minus.
Minus into plus is equal to dash.
Minus.
Minus into minus is equal to dash.
Plus.
Plus divided by plus is equal to dash.
Plus.
Plus divided by minus is equal to dash.
Minus.
Minus, right. Minus divided by plus is equal to dash.
Minus.
Right. Minus divided by minus is equal to dash.
Plus.
Right. Minus 1 whole to the power of 1 is equal to dash.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is equal to dash.
1.
Right. Minus 1 whole cube is equal to dash.
Minus 1.
Right. If n is odd, minus 1 whole to the power of n is equal to dash.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. If n is even, minus 1 whole to the power of n is equal to dash.
1.
Okay. Very good, ma. You keep it up. Now mute. Children, మీరు అందరు కూడా ఇప్పుడు మీకు PPT 8 ఉంటుంది యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్ లో అందరు కూడా ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లోకి ఎంటర్ కాగానే మీరు లైక్ చేయండి, వీడియో లైక్ చేయండి. తర్వాత మీరు మీ యొక్క ఆన్సర్స్ ను కామెంట్స్ బాక్స్ లో సెండ్ చేయండి. మీరు ఒకటే ఆప్షన్, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబరు, ఆప్షన్ అంతే. మీరు మధ్యలో ఆప్షన్ అని ఏమి లెటర్స్ రాసడం ఏం అవసరం లేదు. సింపుల్ గా మీరు క్వశ్చన్ నెంబరు, ఆప్షన్ అవే సెండ్ చేయండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నౌ we are ending this meeting.